This segment of Coast Life is sponsored by Benvenuto.
Well, CoastLife, I know dinner time is fast approaching, and if you're hungry and not quite sure what to do for dinner or where to go, well, our friends at Benvenuto in Milford have you covered. That is where we are today for this week's Dish of the Week. Chef Zeus, what are we chowing down on? I'm seeing a lot of beautiful, bright colors today.
We are going to chow down, but first and foremost, Happy New Year.
Yes, Happy New Year.
And thank you guys at CoastLife for a wonderful year, an amazing year. So what we are going to be featuring is a sausage and peppers.
Sounds good to me.
All right, and this is going to be the CoastLife Dish of the Week.
Chef Zeus says while there are many ways to do a sausage and pepper dish, at Benvenuto, it's with fresh ingredients and served over a shell pasta. It all starts with a hot pan and extra virgin olive oil.
I'll have you know, Chef Zeus, that every time I'm at home now and I'm like, I've got to start with a hot pan.
Yes,
I hear your voice.
And you can touch it, you know, Ooh, right? It's hot, all right? Because if it's not hot, you know, we're not really cooking, right?
We start the dish with some sweet Italian sausage. In this case, it's already been slightly cooked. As soon as it hits the pan, you'll want to hear that sizzle while you brown the sausage.
Right into the pan, and that's the sound that you should hear.
Yes,
all right?
Music to my ears.
Yes, because although this sausage, look, you know, everybody makes their Sunday sausage or their Sunday gravy, and it's in there. There's always good flavor, but you get so much more flavor out of this when you just start to kind of caramelize it and do it the way that we're doing it here. And you're gonna see that we're just gonna kind of brown the sausage a little bit. We're gonna turn the heat up a little bit.
Then we add the garlic. Don't be afraid to be a little heavy-handed, and you want to cook it until it just starts to toast a little bit.
Now, Leah, if you look closely, you see how our garlic is now starting to kind of just, you know, toast up a little bit?
Yes.
All right? And that's where you kind of want to stop it, okay?
Yep.
Because you don't want this to burn.
Then we add the onion, roasted red peppers with the juice to help prevent the garlic from burning.
It's going to stop that garlic from cooking and just keep it, you know, from burning. And it's going to allow it to still kind of infuse everything with that garlicky flavor.
Then the white wine, our pasta, and let it all warm through.
Our pasta to that, okay? We are going to come over here. We're going to grab a little bit of salt. All right, and this is a kosher sea salt that I like to use. We're going to grab some fresh ground black pepper.
Yum.
Okay, so you can smell that. Those flavors
all
are
of
just
it. Yeah, you smell
really starting to come together.
A little bit of the fire from the roasted peppers you're getting, the garlic you're getting, the sausage, all of it.
Exactly.
Then we add some tomato for a hint of that tomato flavor, add the stock, and bring everything to temperature.
Okay, so by adding the stock to this, all right, see we have that steam now, and what we are going to do is we are going to just cover this, all right? And every, you know, exact pan is also a perfect cover, all right?
Makes sense.
And just pull this aside a little bit. You see that steam coming out, all right? And that's how you know that our pasta is warming through, all right? You could certainly, you know, dunk your pasta into water. Well, I noticed that when you do that, all the sauce kind of slides off the pasta, but by warming it up in here with the sauce, it's going to allow that pasta
that starch.
Yes, it's going to allow it to take on all that flavor.
Yum.
See that? And then very simple, with the back of your finger, just touch the pasta. You can try it.
Sure. There you go.
It's hot.
It is
right?
hot.
It's hot. All right.
Then as the dish is nearly finished, we add the baby spinach and the Parmigiano Reggiano to bring everything together.
And make everything
that
sort of
little bit
come
of
together.
tanginess. It adds, that kind of sticks it all together.
The tanginess, I like that.
With a separate spoon, you can sneak a little taste just to make sure the dish is ready.
Got to do a little taste test to make
we're
sure.
gonna
It's
make
my
sure
favorite
we're
way to
on
cook.
point, right?
All right. Let's see.
See that?
That was ready.
And how simple was that,
So easy.
right? Look, I always tell folks, you know, when it comes to cooking, the separation is in the preparation.
Yeah.
So if you have all your ingredients, you know, just
Ready to go
perfectly-
for you.
Yes. Yep. So as long as you're prepared, you're going to be on point. All right. And look at this.
Beautiful.
Amazing colors, amazing flavors, and that is just a beautiful,
It is.
beautiful sausage and pepper. Something so simple.
And I love that it's got so much flavor, it's got so much color, but it's pretty light. And I feel like after all the eating that maybe you did last month, you might be looking for a little something more like this.
Exactly.
To just, something good, hearty, but not too heavy.
And there it is. Right.
There you go. So that's this week's Dish of the Week. If you come to Benvenuto and you say, hey, I saw that really delicious sausage and peppers pasta dish on CoastLife, you'll get a little discount too, right?
Yes, you do. 10% off.
There you go. So we'll give you a minute to make your dinner plans. We've got more CoastLife coming your way.